Have you ever dreamed of making a music video that blows up overnight? Well, guess what? Today, we're using AI to create a viral animated music video. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. From writing the lyrics to animating the characters, I'll walk you through every single step to make it happen. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to create your own masterpiece. But first, take a look at this amazing AI-powered music video I made.
The clock strikes 12, the old year fades, a brand new chapter starts today. Looking back on all I've seen, the highs, the lows, the in-betweens, through every storm, through every shine, I see the love, I see the signs.
Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. It's free, and it helps me keep making these videos for you. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1, writing your lyrics. Not a songwriter? No worries. There are a couple of ways to get this done. First, you can go straight to ChatGPT and ask it to write lyrics based on your idea. For example, I told it, write me a song about being grateful in the new year. And within seconds, ChatGPT gave me a full song, chorus, verses, a bridge, and even an outro. Super easy. But if you're feeling stuck, here's another trick. Find inspiration from existing songs. Take a song you love, tweak the lyrics to make it your own, and then let ChatGPT refine it. That's exactly what I did for this project. I found lyrics I liked, adjusted them to fit my style, and had ChatGPT polish them up. Once you've got your lyrics, don't stop there. Before closing ChatGPT, ask it to break your song into different scenes with camera shots that bring the lyrics to life. If your song talks about chasing dreams, imagine a scene of someone running through a city at sunset. The more creative you get, the more engaging your video will be. Now that we have the lyrics, it's time to turn them into an actual song. For this, I use Suno AI. It's like having a music producer in your pocket. Here's how it works. Go to Suno AI and click Custom. Paste your lyrics into the box, pick a style. I chose pop dance because we're here to party. Leave these options as it is. Then hit generate and let the AI do its thing. Pro tip, if the first version doesn't feel quite right, just regenerate until you get that perfect vibe.
The clock strikes 12, the old year.
Once you have your track, download it. And use Vocal Remover to separate the vocals from the instrumentals. Trust me, this step is a game changer. Now that we have a complete song, it's time to create animations for our music video. The first step is to generate images. And for that, you can use any text-to-image generation tool like Leonardo, Midjourney, or DALL-E 3. I'm using Midjourney for this. Open Midjourney, and after signing up, you'll see this interface. Now, copy the visual prompts that ChatGPT generated and paste them into the prompt box. Then, simply click Generate to create the images. You can also edit the prompts to fit your style before generating. Once you do that, Midjourney will work its magic. Keep in mind that every tool has its own unique features, so if you're using a different platform, you might get slightly different results. To overcome this, make sure you choose the correct image style and aspect ratio for consistency. By pasting the prompts one by one, you'll be able to generate all the visuals for your video. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to craft these prompts, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a separate video on creating camera angles and 2D images. Now that we have our visuals ready, the next step is to sync the character's lips with the voiceover. To do this, we first need to remove the character's mouth from the image. If you have Adobe Photoshop, you can use that, but if not, simply go to Google and search for Photopea. Upload the background image first, and then upload your character's image. First, remove the white background by clicking on the Magic Eraser tool. After that, crop the character by selecting it and then drag it to the background. Use the Spot Healing Brush tool to erase the mouth area. Once done, download the edited image. Next, go to YouTube and search for green screen mouth animation. Find a suitable animation and download it because this will be useful during the video editing process. Now that our music is ready, it's time to animate our images. This is where Kling AI version 1.6 comes in. On the platform, we'll be using version 1.6, which is currently the most realistic version available. While they offer multiple versions, such as 1.1 and 1.5, version 1.6 provides the best quality at the moment. For this, I use the image-to-video feature, although the platform also supports text-to-video. I uploaded one of the images created in Midjourney and entered the following prompt. Tracking shot of a girl walking forward through the street. Motion blur isn't supported in version 1.6, so I left the settings at 0.5, balancing creativity and relevance. I selected standard mode, which takes about 4 minutes to animate the image, while standard mode takes around 8 minutes. The duration can be set between 5 to 10 seconds, and I chose 10 seconds. I only needed one version of the animation. For the negative prompt, you can enter words for things you don't want to appear in the animation, such as blur, distortion, or disfiguration. Once everything is set, click Generate. Keep in mind that Kling AI is a paid tool, but don't worry. In future videos, I'll cover more affordable tools or those that offer generous free trials while still delivering high-quality results. Now that the animation is complete, let's play an example and see how it looks. You can see how smoothly it tracks the girl walking through the street. It looks amazing. Once you're done creating the animation, click the Download button. You can choose to download with or without a watermark. This is the exact process I use to animate all the images in the music video. Now that we have the music, vocals, lip-synced version, and animated images, it's time to put everything together. And for that, we'll be using CapCut. The first step was to import all the clips I needed for the video. Looking at the timeline, the first thing I did was add the lip-synced clip that we downloaded from YouTube. Then, I pulled in the image of the main character with his mouth. I wiped the mouth from the image and stretched it out to match the length of the green background clip containing the lip-synced mouth. Next, I clicked on the lip-synced mouth with the green background, selected Remove BG, then clicked Chroma Key. Using the color picker, I selected the green color, which removed the background, leaving only the mouth. I then increased the intensity slightly to eliminate any green highlights around the edges of the mouth. Once that was done, I resized and positioned the mouth on the character's face to align it properly. I played through the clip to make sure everything matched up. Then, I selected both clips, right-clicked, and chose Create Compound Clip to merge everything into one single clip. This step was important because I didn't want any elements shifting when I started adding effects and transitions. After that, I began placing the different clips at key moments to visually match the song's lyrics. Once the clips were arranged, I added a few effects and transitions to enhance the flow of the music video. At the top of the timeline, I inserted transitions to make the visuals more engaging. Depending on your style, you can go all out with effects to fully capture the theme of your song. Once everything was finalized, I exported the video from CapCut, and that's how this music video was created. Now, here's the final full video. Check it out.
The clock strikes 12, the old year fades, a brand new chapter starts today. Looking back on all I've seen, the highs, the lows, the in-betweens, through every storm, through every shine, I see the love, I see the signs, every lesson, every tear led me to this brand new year. I'm grateful for the love I've known, for every seed of hope that's grown, for all the moments big and small. I'm thankful, Lord, I've seen them all. A brand new start, a chance to be a better me in 2023 or current year. The laughter shared, the hands that gave, the kindness shown, the lives we saved, all the dreams that light the way. I hold them close and humbly pray, through every storm, through every shine.
Making videos like this for your faceless YouTube channel or other projects takes more than what I showed in this video. If you want to learn all the steps in detail, check out the full course I created. It has everything you need to succeed. Click this video, and I'll see you there.